Welcome to our Max channel. Today we start a new topic for 8th class, that is factorization. Of course, factorization is not a new topic for us. We got this factorization topic even in 6th class also. We factorize a number into prime factors and also factors. Let's start from the beginning. This chapter in view of the lower achievers. Since it is a pandemic situation, COVID situation, most of the students are not taking, are not getting the classes offline. That means direct to teacher, online classes. So there is a problem in understanding the algebra and also factorization concepts, which are very important for 9th and 10th classes. See, in view of that, I start the factorization concept right from the beginning. That is 6th standard. How we factorized a particular number, then how we factorize an algebraic expression in 8th class. So a little bit confusion, but it is very important. Let's go back to the 6th class, how we factorized. We know how to factorize a number. 8 can be factorized into 2 into 2 into 2. The same way 6 as 2 into 3. This way we factorize the numbers. Now we do factorization of an expression. We know an expression. What is called an expression? I don't repeat that. What is an expression mean? But how to factorize an expression? Factorization. Before going to the real topic of factorization, let's see. This 8 is formed by 3 factors, right? They are 2, 2, 2. And also 6 is formed by 2 factors, that is 2 and 3. Of course, there are prime factorization, we call it. Of course, I can write 8 as 2 into 4 also. Depends on my requirement in the situation. This is called factors, these are the prime factors. Here, we don't use the prime factorization of expression, only factors, because we don't know the value of the variable, what we use in the expression, that are x, y, a, b and extra. See this question. So we know every number is formed by some factors. The same way a term is also formed by some factors. For example, x square, it is a term, a monomial, we know. It is formed by 2 factors, that is x and x. When you ask to write about the factors of x square, they are x into x, simple. Next, 4x square, its factors, we know how to write the factors of 4 and also as well as for x square. So its factors, for 4 we write 2 into 2 and for x square we write x into x. So these are the factors of the given by monomial 4x square. Now we got a simple idea about how to write the factors of an expression in algebra. So most of the students wonder how to write the expression of a term without knowing the value of the variable. It's not necessary to know the value of the variable in writing the factors of an expression. So this is, let's take some more examples to write the factors of some monomials. 16x y square z cube. Now you got the idea of factorizing a monomial. Now for 16, of course we get 4 and 4. In turn we get 2, 2, 2, 2. And for y, x, a single term, and y square, y, y, and for z, 3 times. So these are all the factors which are responsible in forming the monomial 16x square y cube. Do you agree? You understood well, I think. Now we go for a little bit, a binomial. Factorizing a binomial. Before writing the binomial factors, let's go for HCF, or common factors of a pair of numbers. It is also we have in 5th class. You are given certain numbers 12 and 16. Let's write the prime factors of 12. That is 2 into 2 into 3. And for 16, we know that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. The common factors, 2 pairs of 2's, that is common factors, that is 2 into 2, whose product is 4. So 4 is also called HCF of the number. 4 is the highest factor that divide both the number exactly. You know the word mean exactly mean that divides leaving remainder 0. So HCF is very important in writing the factors of the number. Okay, what are the common factor for 12 and 16? 4. HCF. Do remember this 12 and 16 because I use 12 and 16 in the next example. I take one more example. Now I take expressions for 12 and 16. 12x plus 16y. Of course I added variable x and y. What are the common factors for 12 and 16? Already we got 4. Common factor. If I take a common factor of 12 out of 12, what is the other factor of 12? 3. Followed by this x. Plus. For 16 also I took the common factor 4. What are the other factors for 16? 4 4s are 16. 4. Followed by y. So your factor is the binomial. Simple. By using the HCF idea. HCF idea. The simple. So factorization is very simple if you know the idea of HCF of two numbers instantly. The numbers are so big, that is the coefficient are so big, use the rough column. Use the rough column. Of course in general, in 8th class we don't give such large numbers in factorization questions. We give very simple numbers which are come within the table only. So this is the simple question. Next, now we can write for a trinomial also. Trinomial. 6x square plus 4x cube minus 8x power 4. Factorization of these three terms whose powers of x are different, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Let's write the factors of 6. What are the factors of 6? 2 into 3 into x into x. Correct. And for 4x cube, 2 into 2 into x into x into x. And for 8x power 4, 2 into 2 into 2 into x into x into x into x. Of course, we will not expand. To make you understand, I am expanding each of the term in the trinomial. Now, common factors. 2 x, these are the common. What is the common? 2x x, that is 2x square. So 2x square is the common. So you may feel wonder how to find the square HCF of the variables. When you observe closely, it is x square, x cube, x power 4. What is the power of the common factor of variable? 2. So the least power of the variable is the HCF. No confusion. Numbers already we know. 2x square is the common factor. Bracket open. If I take 2 out of 6, other factor is 3. 3 2s are 6x square. Check immediately. Out of 4, you took 2. Another 2. For x cube, you took 2 already. One more inside. Plus, out of 8, you take 2. Other factor 4. Out of 4 x's, you have already 2 inside, 2 outside. Rest of the 2 inside. Any confusion? No. If there are 2 variables in the term, the same least power of the variable is the HCF in all the cases. Okay, let's go for one more example with 2 variables in the expression. 12x square y cube minus 6xy square plus 4x cube y power 4. Okay, for 12, 6 and 4, the common factor 2. And let's see the variables. We have 2 variables which are x and y. What is the least power of x? Here power is 2, it is 1, It is 3. So least power of variable of x is the common factor. And for y cube, y square, y power 4. So I take y square is the common factor. So this is the HCF. Very simple. Now, out of 12, 2 is the common factor. Other factor 6. Out of 2 x's, 1 is outside. So 1 comes inside. Out of 3 y's, 2 inside, 2 outside, 1 outside, 1 inside. Minus. Out of 6, 2 is one of the factor. Other factor 3 inside. Out of x is common. X square, y square common. Right. Plus for 4 we got 2, other factor 2 inside. For 3 x cube we have x 1 outside, so the rest of the 2 comes inside. And for 4 y2 are outside, so y square is inside. Very simple to write the factors of any expression if you know this logic. So the least power of the variable is the HCF of the variable, and numbers already we have experienced in 4th and 5th class how to write the factors. Okay, we go for some more factorization concepts in the next class. Thank you.